Hello, my name is Albert DeBlanti, and I am your instructor for this module on accessing information effectively and efficiently. Here in college, when we talk about accessing information, we're talking about you doing college-level research. A good place that most people usually start is Google, and most people think that Google has everything. Let's check. All right, I'm going to put in Zika virus as a topic. As you can see, Google has about 53 million results. That seems like it might be almost everything. Let's see what they have on the first page. The first website that comes up is Zika virus CDC. Now this is the Center for Disease Control and Prevention, and it'll tell you areas with Zika, about Zika, symptoms of Zika, and Zika travel information. As we go down, you'll see virus symptoms, countries, risk, and prevention. This information is provided by WebMD, which is a website that gives medical information. Next, we have Wikipedia. This is an article on Zika virus by Wikipedia, which sounds like encyclopedia, but it's not exactly encyclopedia because ordinary people that have access can make edits. Now, I use Wikipedia, but I would not call it an academic source. And here in college, a lot of times, many of your professors will be asking you for academic sources, scholarly sources, or peer-reviewed sources. And they all basically mean the same thing. And what that means is articles that are in academic journals where the articles were peer-reviewed or evaluated by experts in that field before they're being published. Now, how do you get access to these peer-reviewed articles? One way is through Google Scholar, and that is free. The problem with Google Scholar is Google Scholar does not have access to all the academic articles that are out there. And many times, Google Scholar will give you access to an article and the article will ask for money to view the full article. So how do you get access to these full articles? One way is to pay, because a lot of them are subscription databases. So subscription databases means that you have to pay for access. So some ways into these subscription databases is through an institution. It may be through your public library. Some public libraries, through their public library website, if you supply your library card number and a password, they will give you access to their databases. Here at Empire State College, we have access to the Empire State College's college databases. So again, if you're associated with a college, you will have access to the college's databases. Here I am at SUNY Empire State College's Moodle rooms. And to get access to the databases, it's very easy. You just have to go to the library, which is at the top left corner, click on the drop-down menu, click on Library Home, and the library website will come up. Here in the library website, you have many different options. You can go to OneSearch, and that will search all of these choices. That'll search article databases, which we're looking for, ebooks. Because this is an online library, it'll give you access to electronic books, dictionaries, encyclopedias, journal finders. If you're looking for a specific journal, not for a specific article, you can search in Journal Finder, multimedia, and newspapers. So there's many choices over here. So if you go to the OneSearch, it's going to search in all of these options. We're going to go straight to article databases. And what you're going to get is a list of Empire State College's databases in alphabetical order, A through Z. So these are the different databases that SUNY Empire College has to offer. The ones that I plan on using are on the first page under A. One is Academic OneFile, and the other one I like to use is Academic Search Complete. And the reason I like to use these two is because they give you academic articles for all subjects. So whether you're in the medical field, if you're in criminal justice, they will give you academical articles for general subjects. I like to use Academic Search Complete, which is the EBSCO version. Okay. When it opens up, you'll see that there's a search box very similar to Google. So you can type in your search query right here, Zika virus. And when the options come up, the results come up, you'll see that they are not websites. These are peer-reviewed articles. And as you can see, there's a lot less than Google. Zika virus may affect the universal two-child policy, a new challenge for China. So this is not a government website. This is from a journal. And the name of the journal is, as you can see here, PLOS Neglected Tropical Diseases. The second article is a case series of atypical presentation of Zika virus infection in Singapore. And this one is in BMC Infectious Diseases. Let's skip down to the fourth one. Open Zika, an IBM World Community Grid project to accelerate Zika virus drug discovery. Now this article I find interesting. So I can click on it to open up the landing page for this article. When you get here, you see the article's name, the title of the article, Open Zika, an IBM World Community Grid project to accelerate Zika virus drug discovery. As listed and labeled, you have the authors. There's 3 authors here. Under the source, you have the name of the periodical. So this is the journal, PLOS Neglected Tropical Diseases. You have the date of the journal, the volume, the issue, and the pages. This will be important later on when we do citations, because this is important information. If you want to see the full article, you have to click over here for PDF full text. And this is a step that you have to do here in the EBSCO Academic Search Premier. And when it opens up, you will have the full 5-page article. Usually starts off with an abstract, which will give you a synopsis of what the article is about. And then you have the full article. Okay. This concludes this session on accessing information effectively and efficiently at a college level. I suggest that you go back to the databases and click around in the databases and look up articles that either you're interested in or that you are researching for other college classes. Thank you very much.